This video contains publicly available body cam footage from police department. Analysis provided is for educational purposes under fair use, Section 52 of Copyright Act. No copyright infringement intended. Views expressed are observational, not legal advice.
Alright, well, what's the problem? Because I heard people calling the cops on us for no reason.
Well, apparently,
because that stupid bitch up there can scream
loud
all the
hey.
No, it's
calm down.
No, because
I just got here. I
get that, but listen to me. Because we were out here, everything was fine, and that up there was calling the cops on us for no fucking reason. I'm sober. I'm pregnant, so I'm sober as fuck. Okay? I haven't been drinking, I don't smoke, I don't do none of that shit. But she wanted to cause a problem for no reason. They scream and fight 24/7. Everyone around here will come out here, throw shit at each other all the fucking time. But we always get the cops calling us for no fucking reason.
You and who?
Me and my fiance and his dad's here, but they're inside.
According to you, nothing happened. It was just a neighbor just being...
Yeah, nothing happened. We were just really just out here talking. Yeah, we were a little loud, but like, we weren't like fighting or anything like that. Supposedly they were saying that there was fighting and shit going on out here. Some dude in an orange vest came up behind his truck. I don't know what he was doing, but he just came up to us and was like, I don't even really know what happened, but like, I guess he just snapped on him and was just like, what the are you doing here? Like, why are you coming up behind my truck like that?
I guess, how did you know we were coming?
Our landlord.
Your landlord called? What did the landlord say?
He said that the neighbor had called the police and that you guys were on your way.
Alright, I'm gonna go talk to your fiance if you'll just hang out with him.
Alright, just, okay. I don't know if they'll answer. I might have to go get him. Can I go in there?
You want her to open the door? Make it quicker.
Go on then. Jimmy, stay. Come outside.
1, 2.
Just go ahead and step out.
Jimmy, okay, one.
I mean, but you gotta make sure
Jimmy, stop.
we're just checking, man.
So what's going on? Because obviously something's going on.
You just arguing all the time. Dad, just go.
Jimmy, stop.
Go inside.
Wait.
Knock it up.
No, please don't take my down.
Jimmy?
We're sitting.
Jimmy.
You take a step back.
You guys want someone to go inside with him?
I'm not kidding, dog.
Okay.
Go inside with him. I'm
You
for real.
realize I'm
Go
fucking
inside with
400
him.
pounds, dog.
Take a deep breath, guys.
Ain't taking no
Obviously
deep breath.
something's going on.
Do
What
you
is
realize,
going on?
dog, I've been to this since I was 7 years old. I'm not dumb. Quit talking like I'm stupid.
I ain't calling you stupid. I'm asking what's going on. Obviously you guys are upset at each other.
No, shit. This is my dad, dude. He got problems.
Right?
I've been to this since I was 7, dude. I'm not dumb.
Listen, brother, you know what? I really, oh my God. Should I do it quit? Yeah, I will quit.
We're trying to work with you, okay? Y'all could have already been at handcuffs, but you're not.
For what
All right?
though? For what though?
Disorderly conduct. You're out here screaming, hollering, and cussing, okay? In public. We got a complaint from your neighbor.
Do what you gotta
But
do.
that's bullshit though, because there's no
Well, you want to
proof
go
on
with
that.
them?
But there's no proof
You need to
on
close
that.
your mouth
I
and
ain't
calm
closing
down. Oh, you're not?
Because I have not done anything wrong. The neighbors are bullshit, and I've been trying to tell y'all that.
I believe him, because both of them are drunk.
He's not drunk. You could give him a breathalyzer right now because he ain't drunk.
It sounds like you've just been drinking and you need to go
It's
to bed.
such a bad place.
Right now, we're just checking. I mean, that's all we gotta do is check. That's all we've got to do. You're making a bigger deal of it than it needs to be.
I know, right?
Sounds like you just need to go to bed and chill.
Yeah, I just need to go.
He's upset.
I understand you guys are upset. Okay?
No,
I,
but you want to know what happened?
Look, I want to know what happened.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
Okay. Please, for the love of God, Jonathan, I do not have bail money, so do not play with me. Sorry, I'm cold, so I'm shaking.
I'm shaking too.
I feel a lot better if I had a jacket, so I know one of you cops me will get a jacket.
Wait. Okay,
listen.
stop.
I ain't listen to
Stop.
shit.
Just stop. Just quit.
You want to go with them?
Hey,
Get out of the way.
I'm pregnant, so don't put your
He's
hands
pregnant. Around to find out.
Don't put your hands on me, because I ain't pregnant. I will sue the out of you.
It's all on camera.
You don't know who the my dad is.
Hey,
please,
Let
don't
the
scare me.
go with me.
Pregnant, dog.
Let go of me.
Pregnant.
You're not doing anything.
I am fucking let go. Let the go.
No.
Let the go. Let the go of me now.
Oh my God, we have a situation, bro.
She may be pregnant, but All we were doing, trying to find out what's going on. Nobody was going to jail.
I know this, brother. I know.
Let the fuck go. I swear to fucking God, bro. You are going to get fucking sued, and I swear to God you will fucking regret this. I swear to God. Let me the fuck go.
Relax.
I'm trying to call my dad.
All right, just hang tight for a minute. Let's go find out what's going on. Because, I mean,
I'll give send you out.
it's all right. Just hang tight right there, man.
Let me go.
Mountain.
What?
You got zip ties?
I don't know.
Can you see if Henry does?
Huh?
See if
Jimmy.
Just calm down.
No, I need to call my dad.
I know you need to do that. Oh my God.
All right, just go inside and wait. Just go in there and chill. What are you needing? Zip ties?
She's too small for handcuffs.
You got zip ties?
Zip ties, I don't.
The cuffs won't fit her. Her wrists are too damn tiny. And she's fighting the whole time.
Let me see.
I need to get a hold of my dad. This ain't the first time I ain't been in cuffs. They are not too small. I promise you, are not too big. Give me the fucking car. My feet are fucking cold.
You're in custody right now.
Alright, give me my phone because I am allowed to have my phone. I know the motherfucking law. Trust and believe I know the law.
Might work, it might not. We'll try. If not, I'll take this with me.
Give me my phone. I know the law. I'm allowed to have my phone.
Not in the back of the car, you're
Yes,
not?
I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I've been arrested before.
Doesn't mean you can allow your phone.
Yes, I am.
No.
Give me my phone so I can call my fucking dad. I am calm. Jimmy, I need you to get my dad. Jimmy, I need you to drive to my house.
Lean back.
Can I please have my phone so I can call my dad?
No, ma'am.
I'm allowed to have my phone. I know the fucking law.
It's not that serious. All I had to do was
No
calm
doubt.
down.
I know.
These two are like fired up.
For over nothing.
Hey,
Over nothing. We would have walked away, but
get my dad.
They want to keep telling us how to do our jobs.
I don't know how to get her, Dad.
well,
Listen,
just
brother.
chill out in the house, man. They wouldn't even go if they'd have just chilled.
Your dad is like the sergeant of bull shows. And
I know her dad is, but
Okay, that doesn't matter to us.
I work in
No,
flipping
it
too. But I
really
mean,
don't matter. You guys gotta do what you
we
gotta
were just
do.
trying to make sure y'all
guys
were
gotta do
okay.
what you gotta do.
yeah,
We were just trying to make sure everybody was calm and okay and go in the house and get along, so we were going to leave.
they didn't want to listen at all.
Can you guys let me take Tatum Johnson in here and just like bitch slap him? Just a minute. No,
No, I mean,
no.
no. Just go in there and chill out. Once they get booked in, they can bond out.
Oh, they're getting booked.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
I mean they're out here not cooperating at all, not wanting to answer questions. I
These
mean,
motherfuckers. Hold on.
all right, you guys can take her. You guys go if you want.
I don't want to be arrested for.
There's your shoes.
Yeah,
Disorderly.
For what? I know the law. My dad is literally a sergeant.
Okay.
I know the law.
The male was charged with disorderly conduct, and despite her father being a sergeant, the female was still charged with resisting arrest. Court records indicate she actually did not know the law. All suspects are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.